What's up, everybody? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. We are working on a 33 Ford back here. You can see it. It's a pretty awesome car. Customer built it like 20 years ago, sold it, and got it back, so we got to do a little maintenance on it. He doesn't like the way the gauges are working it, so we're going to put a complete brand new set of Autometer gauges in it. Do some brake work, new calipers, new master cylinder, adjust timing, carburetor, things like that. Get it running a little bit better. Get it going down the road. Check it out. But first, let's do a montage. So you can see this thing's got an older set of Autometer gauges in it. And we're going to pull them out and replace them with these old-time black face gauges. So let's get all these things swapped out. It should be pretty easy. They're the same gauges basically. We should just have to reach up here under the bottom of the dash, unhook the wire nuts, everything like that, make sure the power's unhooked, and they should just come out and put a new one in and hook it back up. So let's get it taken care of. Alright, we got all the gauges out. Now we can get these Autometer gauges opened up and start getting them installed. We got the gauges put in. Fairly simple. Just undo the old ones and pull them out. Put the new ones in the hole. I haven't hooked up the connectors on the back yet, but they're the exact same connectors, so that should be pretty easy to get done. So we'll move on to that.